Star Slider is a motorized camera slider with modular components and a plug-and-play system that lets you create smooth camera movements. We pushed flexibility into the project, so you can choose the bundle that best suits you, adapting the system to your specific needs. Each module is indeed matchable with the other, giving the opportunity of limitless configurations. Use two monolights together, mount them on Star Slider, or use them separately for breathtaking still life shots. Move the camera and the subject at the same time, and you'll be the only thing staying still. We also tried to reduce this noise. We tried again, but unfortunately we couldn't fix our coffee machine, so we decided to develop stealth mode motion, just in case you want to record live audio sessions or interviews. The motors are able to lift small payloads, average payloads, or very, very heavy payloads as well. And just in case you want to shoot camera car, mount the magnetic feet, stick Star Slider on a metal surface, and drive away safely. The wireless control allows you to set the motion from unlimited distances, and you can free your imagination finding out extraordinary points of view. The Star Slider app has a user-friendly interface featuring simple manual mode control, or a more complex target point-driven preset mode. Set up to 5 keyframes you want in your shot, and twist your camera movements out. Take a look. The same logic is applied to time-lapse mode, allowing you to move towards space and time settings in just a few clicks. At the end, you can always save and load preset movements to remake the same shot, or combine it with another in a different environment. It will enhance your creativity. Designing Star Slider was the most challenging and fulfilling project we've ever worked on. After several months of developing, prototyping and testing with professional video productions, we are happy to announce that the design is complete. We have worked hard to make improvements on the manufacturing process in order to achieve high standards of quality at affordable prices. We have already secured trusted partners to start production as soon as your support brings Star Slider to life.
And this is only the beginning. We have additional features planned in the pipeline. So please share this project and find the best pledge that suits you. Star Slider enhances your creativity and moves the stars. Ciao!
Today I'd like to introduce to you the smartphone scope mount Mark II spotter. The spotter is designed to work on any smartphone and any scope. It even works on tablets. The spotter attaches to your tripod mount on the bottom of your spotting scope and allows you to use your smartphone or tablet to capture images through your scope, instantly adding a telephoto lens to your device. Your smartphone connects to your spotting scope with the included magnet or universal smartphone clamp. The Picatinny arm on the side of the mount is fully adjustable. It can also be attached to either side of your spotting scope to accommodate your preferred position for your camera. And notice, nothing touches your optics. We've even added a power bank so you can keep your device charged. The spotter has gone through extensive development, and we are now finally ready for production. We need your help to make the Mark II spotter a reality. The quality components required to produce the spotter are expensive. We need capital to fund the initial production costs to bring this exciting product to the market. With your help, we will be manufacturing the spotter right here in our hometown, Madison, Wisconsin.
So Vedra is born from over 40 years of combined experience between myself and the optical designer of Vedra. We saw a great need in the marketplace for purpose-built optics, particularly for the Micro Four Thirds format, and we feel as technology continues to develop that there's going to be a greater need for purpose-built cinema optics.
So a cinema lens doesn't need to autofocus, so the mechanics can be far more robust and accurate and reliable.
We saw the stills glass that was available and the use of adapters and this sort of thing, and we really felt that there was a better way to do it and to bring a true level of cinematic experience to the Micro Four Thirds format.
So the components inside an autofocus lens are very loose, they're very sloppy. Using an autofocus still lens for cinema work is doable, but it's not ideal.
When using a cinema lens on an MFT camera, it generally requires an adapter. Not so with the Vedra Mini Prime. This native MFT lens has superior size, optical and mechanical performance when compared to some other popular lenses.
I myself have spent over 10 years talking to filmmakers and prominent members of the filmmaking community about cinema optics and what they look for in these cinema optics, and so we felt that there was a need to bring that to the Micro Four Thirds format. Vedra Mini Primes all have the same set of features. We expect as the technology develops with cameras to continue to provide truly quality cinema lenses specific to the formats that are being used, rather than taking different types of lenses and adapting them. We're going to build things that are made specific for the format.
The Vedra Mini Primes represent a tremendous value. You can own an entire 4-lens set of these for the price of one 35mm motion picture lens.
Hi Kickstarters, my name is Renzo Gomez and today I'm so excited to show you the Aeros X1.
like the way it feels in my hand, where it sits on top of my hand and I'm able to use both hands to control and support the camera and the glide cam.
As a glide operator, the idea at the beginning was about creating a tool to solve my own race, back, and fatigue problems. But now, I would like everybody to have the same option.
Proud to announce the Waylens camera, the first data-driven camera built from the ground up for drivers. Our system includes a high-performance camera, a Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 connector, and a stylish steering wheel remote, all of which comes paired from out of the box, so it's as simple as plugging in and playing. We've gone beyond the ordinary boxiness of regular camera and designed a device that fits into the interior of any high-end vehicle. By combining video and data, our camera enables users to tell the full story of their behind-the-wheel experiences. The Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 connector taps directly into the car's computer, allowing users to show what's going on under the hood as well as on the road. In addition to the performance data from the vehicle, the Waylens camera is loaded with its advanced sensor suite, including a 10 Hz GPS sensor for professional level track timing, a 9-axis motion sensor for recording all of the G's that a car pulls, and dual microphones for capturing the symphony of exhaust notes. Gone are the days of having to sift through hours of footage. The camera's software can identify the most interesting clips using data. For example, it can identify the highest G-forces, or it can identify clips with the fastest 0 to 60 pulls. By the time you pull over, the Waylens mobile app presents you with interesting clips that are ready to share through a simple interface. With the included steering wheel remote, you can even share your driving experience from behind the wheel without ever touching your phone. We've assembled an incredible team of world-class designers, developers, and engineers. We're not just launching a product, we're building a community. We want our first users to appreciate all of the hard work that's gone into designing and engineering this camera. That's why we're launching on Kickstarter, to provide our early adopters with pre-orders at a fraction of the retail price. Come help us build the Waylens community.